Hello everybody, welcome to this edition of the Investors Wisdom Nuggets. Over and above looking at the financials, those ratios, there is also one critical qualitative aspect of an organization which is important before we decide to invest our hard-earned funds on it. The quality of the management, quality of leadership. Leaders should be experienced enough, leaders should be competent enough, leaders should have adequate goodwill, leaders should have interests which are aligned to interests of the investors, interests of the shareholders. We don't want to invest in an organization whose leaders are preoccupied with maximizing profit at any cost. We don't want leaders who have an insatiable appetite for risk. We want leaders who are motivated by the desire to preserve value. It's also important in this regard that leaders should have a track record which can be validated and confirmed. Organizations with leaders who are academically competent and seemingly experienced on paper have gone under because of a bad attitude, insincerity, people who are self-centered, people who want to maximize for themselves. We should also be interested to look at the kind of motivation which is being put on the table for managers. We want a realistic motivation. For example, stock options. If managers have been offered stock options, let us check what's the strike price. Is it realistic? What exactly are they expected to achieve? Because sometimes those leaders are given incentives which are too unrealistic in terms of possibility of achievement, which will actually do the opposite, demoralize them. So if they've been offered executive stock options, we need to have an interest to know if the strike price that they've been offered is realistic, is achievable, and is good enough to keep them motivated. The aspect of a good management cannot be overemphasized because most companies' value has been destroyed because of bad management. You can have a good balance sheet, you can have everything else seemingly in place, but a good management will always optimize on the resources available, on the opportunities available. So it's important, we must invest in organizations with a good management in terms of the academic qualifications, the experience, and the attitude. Thank you so much for your time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Share this channel with colleagues. If you have burning issues which you think they deserve my attention, kindly inbox me. Thank you so much for your time. Till we meet again. Bye.